Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
So yesterday we have discussed about what?
So ERP,
ERP.
Enterprise Resource Planning.
Did you went through the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Students, did you went through the PPT except Ankit? Always Ankit response. Others. I have asked you कि तुम लोग का अगर कुछ डाउट होगा हमको पहले से बताना so that we can discuss. I don't know whether you went through the PPT or not. I request once again तुम लोग एक बार ERP का PPT देख लो. कुछ डाउट होगा तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में उसको डिस्कस करेंगे और एड्रेस करेंगे. Today I will be discussing about information security management. In today's age of COVID and coronavirus, सब कोई प्लीज म्यूट कर लो बिकॉज इको हो रहा है प्लीज. The relevance of information security management is much more. The reason is we all are dependent on the cyber world nowadays for any type of communication since we are all locked down. हम लोग सब लॉकडाउन है all across the globe in different countries as per the different countries perspective, and as a result of which we are dependent on the aspect of cyber world for communication, because that's the reason why we are using Cisco WebEx for communication. Again, Nishant. So
सर निशांत का माइक सर फर्स्ट क्लास से प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. उसको सर बोल रहा है माइक ऑफ करने, वो नहीं कर रहा.
अभी म्यूट किए अगेन अगर अनम्यूट कर देंगे. मालिक सर ऐसे ज्यादा करेगा तो वी कैन रिमूव निशांत फ्रॉम द क्लास आई गेस.
यस सर, उसको निकाल दीजिए क्लास से.
Okay, so when we talk about this cyber world, there are a lot of threats which always happen, and in today's age, if you read any newspaper, any news content, you will find 99% news are related to COVID. COVID, how it is impacting mind, how it is impacting business, how it is impacting industry, how it is impacting the poor people. You are getting very, very, very less news on the aspect of how information security is impacted. A very good example is the teleconferencing or video conferencing software what we are using. Earlier, when you had a doubt clearing session 2 to 3 weeks back, you had on Zoom. Now we are having on Cisco WebEx. Now, if we talked about the difference of these two video conferencing softwares, and if you go through Google, you will find that there are so many platforms which are available for video conferencing, which are being used for meetings in organizations, governments, as well as for taking classes at various levels, starting from schools to colleges to universities and various institutions. Now, when we talked about, I hope all of you remember in 2016 demonetization हुआ था, and जब demonetization हुआ तब उसके पहले we were using some digital payments, but we were not using so much because हम लोग के पास option था नॉन डिजिटल मोड यूज करने का. बट जब डीमोनेटाइजेशन हो गया उसके बाद we didn't have any option, and as a result of which we started using more digital payments using Paytm, payment wallets, digital cards, internet banking, so many other things. The same way in across the organizations and across the industry, we had the option of this cyber communication and video conferencing communication, but this was not so popular because we had options of using all the other options. That's the reason why now, since we are locked down at home, we are forced to use these video conferencing options. That's the reason why we are discussing something on video conferencing. Otherwise, we should have been in the campus and discussing something. So now, talking from cyber security perspective, when you talk about Zoom and when you talk about Cisco WebEx, when you talk about GoToMeeting, when you talk about Microsoft Teams, when you talk about Google Meet, these all are video conferencing softwares. There are so many others. I am just naming which are the most popular. All these video conferencing softwares, the objective is, Nishant, please mute your mic. All these video conferencing softwares, the objective is so that communication can take place using internet connection across any places. Now, we have seen in the last 2 to 3 weeks that there are a lot of articles and issues on the aspect of why Zoom is not safe, why other platforms are safe. Just to give you a brief highlight before starting with the security, because this will be a very good example to understand.
Sir,
The owner of Zoom was a software which was started in, if I'm not wrong, 2012 or something. The owner of Zoom, when he had developed Zoom, he didn't have so much. I forgot his name. His name is, I guess, Eric Yuan, if I'm not wrong. The owner of Zoom in 2011, when he started 11, 12 or something like that, when he started developed Zoom, before than that, he was basically working as a vice president of Cisco. Cisco is the biggest company all across the world for hardware and networking. We have discussed about networking, and when we talk about hardware and networking, Cisco is the biggest company. So Mr. Yuan was working in Cisco, and he was a vice president of Cisco. And under his guidance, Cisco came with the software which we are now using, which is WebEx. So Mr. Yuan was the project manager who came with Cisco WebEx. After that, he had faced some issue. He left the organization, and उसके बाद वो नया organization start किए, जिसमें he had started with Zoom. Now, when we talk about the features, say for example, I am discussing something with you, and that is being recorded. So when we are using Cisco WebEx platform, जो हम लोग discuss कर रहे हैं, वो Cisco के पास data चला जा रहा है. Whatever I am sharing content, whatever we are discussing, audio, video, everything. Now, although we talked about कि Zoom Chinese company है, data security नहीं होगा, but I hope some of you know. If you don't know, I'm just sharing. Zoom is also a company which is basically headquartered in California, because Mr. Yuan, although he's in Chinese, but he basically started the company in the US Silicon Valley. He have not started the company in China. But since he was a Chinese, and we go with the Chinese aspect of cyber warfare, so we were threatened कि Zoom में data forgery हो सकता है, but WebEx में नहीं होगा because it is from a Cisco. But the person is common for both WebEx and Zoom. Now comes the security perspective. When we talk about the aspect of the security principles, all the countries have some security principles which are defined, right? I will come to that a bit later on. Please understand for the time being that WebEx, Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, all these are more or less same because they are using the same sort of technology, except one thing, which is a security feature. I'm coming to the difference of these aspects a bit later on after discussing the theories related to whatever I have discussed. So if we just move ahead, right? I hope you can see my slide. Anyone,
Sir.
please respond. You can see my slide.
Sir.
I hope you can see my slide. I'm continuing.
Sir.
So when we talk about IT, it is IT in business, and IT is very critical to business and society. Then we talk about computer security, and then we talk about information security. So there are some hierarchies which we will be discussing a bit later on also. That when we talk about computer security, that means the security features with respect to your computer without being connected to internet. So that means if you have a desktop computer or a laptop or a smartphone without internet, internet is not activated for a time being, then the security features is being taken care by the aspect of computer security. But nowadays, thanks to internet, we always are connected with the internet medium. And since we are connected with the internet medium, as a result of which we need to talk about the information security, internet security. If you talk about antivirus, various types of antivirus, say for example, if you talk about Quickle, I hope all of you know, Quickle comes with different types of antivirus. If you buy a Quickle antivirus, you will find one antivirus is total security. One antivirus is internet security. So if you buy a Quickle internet security, it is less costly. If you buy a Quickle total security, it will be more costly. Why? The reason is, if you talk about internet security Quickle, it will only take care of the virus and all those attacks from the internet. But when you are not online, you have used a pen drive in your desktop or a laptop, which is carrying virus. Internet security will not prevent your computer from that attack. But when you talk about a total security, it talks about both internet security as well as the aspect of the computer security without internet. So that's the reason why, if you see the last point, the responsibility of the manager in any organization is to take information security. Now, when we talk about information security, it talks about the various managers, professionals, technical persons, and non-technical persons. Because in any organization, you get a technical department. Say, for example, in ICPA University, Jharkhand, we have a hardware and software technical support department, which takes care of all these communications and other things which helps so that we can communicate. But when I am taking a class, I may not be an expert in the technical aspect, but I am using the WebEx feature to take your class because that is my job. So I am basically a non-technical business manager or a professional, and the person who are belonging from the IT department, they will be technical persons. Their job is to keep the system secure and safe. So these are the two types of stakeholders. Please remember कि जो आदमी involved होता है with respect to the aspect of information security. One is a technical aspect and one is a non-technical aspect. When you talk about a technical aspect, their job is to take care of the security. कैसे security होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. And जो non-technical है, उसका काम है just to do his job. My job as a teacher is to teach.
सुदीप्त सर कुछ साउंड का प्रॉब्लम हेलो
Or maybe any other IT channels. This means that When you talk about security, it cannot be, you cannot be, anybody under this earth cannot be 100% secure. It's not possible. What we can do is to take some preventive measures so that we are secure. If you see the statement, the quality or state of being secure to be free from danger. You cannot be free from danger in today's age, but you need to take precautions. If you talk about coronavirus or COVID also, you cannot be free from COVID, but you are taking some precautionary measures by staying at home or using masks or using sanitizers and etc. so that coronavirus didn't attack you. So that's the aspect of to be free from danger. So you cannot be free from danger, but you need to take all precautionary measures so that you can be free from danger. So security is achieved using several strategies simultaneously. These are the ways. I should not say strategy. These are the ways. When we talk about physical security, is core physical. That means if you have hardware database, आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का डेटाबेस है, फेसबुक का डेटाबेस है, फेसबुक का डेटाबेस जहां डेटा स्टोर होगा वो डेटा चोरी हो गया, वो डेटाबेस फिजिकली रॉबरी हो गया, then you cannot get anything, right? So that is the aspect of physical security. The physical securities get extended to personal security. That means we talk about authorization. That means when we talk about authorization, say for example, every person in any organization comes with some authority. Principles of management we have discussed. That means, say for example, in this today's classroom, Dr. Barik sir is the host. So he is having the authority to give permissions, to decide what to do, what not to do, and all those things. So he have defined something, he is having the authority. Likewise, he had given me some authority. Since I am a faculty, I am taking my class. But my authority for this classroom of WebEx will be different and will be lesser because he is at a senior position of being the host of this classroom. So likewise, when we talk about the physical security, then we talk about the personal security, which basically comes from the aspect of the authority. Then comes the operations security. This is very, very, very important. Please, all of you remember, personal security is something which you have, but whether you are executing that in practice, that becomes operations security. मेरे पास authority है ये करने का, but I am not doing that. If I am not doing that, then I am having personal security, but I am not implementing that. So I am not going to implement the operations security. So that is the aspect of difference between personal and operations security. Please remember, MCQ के लिए बहुत important. So these three, physical, personal, and operations security, are with the aspect and with the respect of the physical security. The last four, that is communication, network, infosec, and computer security, these all four are dependent on not physical, but it is dependent on your mainly software and mainly communication with others. So when you talk about communication security, that means it can be any type of communication. That means you are not having internet on your computer so that no person can come, no security threats is there, no virus can attack you, no worm can attack you, nothing. But you are using a pen drive. That pen drive can bring some sort of security threat to your computer. So that also is a communication. Although my computer or laptop is not connected with respect to the aspect of internet, but since I am using a pen drive, it is impacting the security. It is impacting the security aspect of my laptop or my So in that aspect, communication security is this thing. And now the next part is network security. So network security, all of you understand? It is basically when you are connected to internet. It can be a local net. Yes. Hello.
How that pen drive is destroying our that security. by virus or any
Communication.
other thing?
Communication, right?
Communication.
Yeah, right. When you talk about, say for example, for a time being assume or presume कि तुम्हारा लैपटॉप है, तुम्हारा डेस्कटॉप है और उसमें कोई इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है, लेकिन तुम पेन ड्राइव यूज किए और वो पेन ड्राइव दूसरा कोई मशीन में यूज हुआ था, तो वो मशीन में इसमें वायरस आ गया, तो तुम्हारा मशीन में आके वो वायरस अटैक कर सकता है.
Yes.
Now, when that a virus is attacking your computer, there can be so many ways. What are the ways? One of the easiest ways, वो वायरस जाके तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर को, तुम्हारा कुछ फाइल को वो खराब कर देगा. वो खराब कर देगा तो वो फाइल तुम ओपन नहीं कर पाओगे. सेकेंड वे क्या होगा? वो वायरस जाके क्या करेगा? तुम्हारा जो सिस्टम फाइल होता है कंप्यूटर चलने के लिए, जैसे हम लोग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर पढ़े थे ना, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, तो कोई
Yes.
बेसिक फाइल होता है, बेसिक
Yes, sir.
फाइल को अगर वो किल कर देगा, your computer cannot function. So that way it can kill you. The third way is, which is the most critical and most important virus which is roaming around us in the cyber world, is you use a pen drive, it will make an image, it will make an image of the data in your computer. That means पेन ड्राइव तुम लगाए, कुछ डेटा लिए, उसके बाद पेन ड्राइव तुम लेके चले गए, and it is being used in some other computer, and there your data is getting imaged up. And the most advanced version is, हम लोग इतना एक मिनट just हम लोग इतना
Yes,
बात करते हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का. वायरसेस आर यूजिंग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टेक्निक्स. वो क्या करता है? सब कुछ इमेज नहीं लेगा, वो लेगा इमेज जो सिक्योर इंफॉर्मेशन है. It is being trained, it is being treated, it is being developed, it is being designed in such a way कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन लेगा जो इंफॉर्मेशन is secure, जिससे उसका काम होगा. So that is the aspect of attacking by communication security of a pen drive. Rohit, you were saying something.
Yes, I have understood.
Okay. Any doubt more? Anyone else?
No. No, sir.
Okay. So I am continuing.
So
when we
physical
talk
security
about
बारे में explain करिए.
physical security, it is nothing to do with cyber world. It is everything to do with physical robbery. तुम्हारा डेटाबेस है, सिस्को का डेटाबेस है, सिस्को का डेटाबेस में सब कुछ स्टोर हो रहा है. वो तो डेटाबेस का कुछ फिजिकल हार्डवेयर
Yes,
डिस्क
sir.
एंड ड्रम्स होगा, जहां स्टोर हुआ वो चोरी हो गया तो खत्म हो गया. दैट इज अ फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी. टू प्रिवेंट, अभी का जमाने में फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी का थ्रेट बहुत कम है. द रीजन इज वी टॉक अबाउट क्लाउड नाउअडेज. क्लाउड बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. क्लाउड मींस जैसे तुम लोग सबका जीमेल आईडी है. जीमेल आईडी में बाय डिफॉल्ट all of us with a Gmail ID we get 15 GB cloud space. तो तुम्हारा जो काम होता है वो तुम्हारा गूगल अकाउंट में स्टोर हो जाता है, गूगल ड्राइव में. वो डॉक्स हो सकता है, ये सब हो सकता है, कुछ भी. Now you are moving from one place to another, but it is stored in the cloud. तो कुछ फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी का थ्रेट ही नहीं है because it is not stored in any physical device. तो फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी का थ्रेट क्लाउड के थ्रू हम लोग कम कर रहे हैं, but it does not mean that we have eliminated 100%. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्लाउड का भी कैपेसिटी होता है. अल्टीमेटली क्लाउड गेट्स स्टोर्ड समवेयर, as I have said, Hadoop and all those things, digital technology trends, right? Ankit, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So when we talk about the information security, which I have discussed earlier, it is the InfoSec and ultimately leads to computer security, the overall. So this slide, please go to the second point, is policy. Policy is central to all information security efforts. Now, where I stopped the example, I am just restarting the example. हम लोग उस टाइम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि अच्छा उसके पहले थोड़ा सा पॉलिसी का मीनिंग समझ लेते हैं. All the organizations in which district they are, in which state they are, in which country they are, they have some policies which are being stated by the government authorities, which needs to be followed. If those are not being followed, then ultimately it can lead to the cancellation of the license of the organization. So, just before to zoom, I'm giving a very, very basic example. I hope all of you know the name of BlackBerry. BlackBerry बोल के कंपनी का नाम जानते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. किसका कंपनी है? What it produces?
It manufacture mobile phones, sir.
Okay, it manufacture mobile phones. Okay, very very good. BlackBerry is a brand name और कंपनी का नाम है? BlackBerry is
So
not
I
a name
think
of a
it
company.
is a brand.
It's a brand name. Good. Let me say for example, अगर तुम्हारे पास Lenovo का एक फोन है and you are using Airtel connection or Jio connection, whatever you are communicating using that Jio SIM and Jio connection, whatever WhatsApp you are sending, whatever SMSs you are sending, whatever calling you are making, everything is getting recorded in the Jio server. And everything is recorded. And वो जो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, अगर हम जाके जियो को बोलते हैं कि अरे आई वांट टू गेट द एक्सेस ऑफ Animesh data or Ankit's data, Jio will not give me because I am not authorized. I cannot take that data. But if a person from the government who is being authorized to take that, they can take that. That is how many aspects of fraudulent stars, terrorists even are being caught by communication. इसी के चलते द ब्लैकबेरी कंपनी विच वाज अ वेरी पॉपुलर कंपनी अर्लियर, अभी उतना पॉपुलर नहीं है थैंक्स टू सो मेनी अदर कंपटीशंस. ब्लैकबेरी इज अ कंपनी विच इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम कनाडा. द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी इज रिसर्च इन मोशन रिम. उसका क्या कॉन्सेप्ट था? ब्लैकबेरी का अपना सर्वर होता था, अपना डेटा स्टोरेज स्पेस होता था. जैसे यू आर यूजिंग ब्लैकबेरी सर्विसेज, so your security, cyber security, everything is my concern. For that, what you need to do? You need to buy a BlackBerry phone first. Second is you need to avail a BlackBerry oriented services. तुम लोग देखे नहीं होंगे शायद, पहले जब जियो तो उस टाइम नहीं था, Airtel, Vodafone and all these companies have a BlackBerry oriented services जिसका कॉस्ट ज्यादा होता था. नॉर्मल अगर एयरटेल का उस टाइम कॉल रेट होता था मिनट में 1 रुपीज 99 पैसा 2 रुपीज, बट ब्लैकबेरी ओरिएंटेड सर्विसेज का चार्जेस होता था 4 रुपया 5 रुपया एक मिनट. बिकॉज दैट एयरटेल इज बीइंग टाइड अप विद ब्लैकबेरी, एंड आप अगर ब्लैकबेरी ओरिएंटेड सर्विसेज लेके कुछ कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं, वो एयरटेल का सर्वर में कभी स्टोर नहीं होगा. वो स्टोर होगा ब्लैकबेरी का अपना सर्वर में जाके. Since it is getting stored in BlackBerry का अपना सर्वर में जाके, तो nobody can access your data and that is very 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 secure. There were a lot of cases by various countries against BlackBerry कि मेरा ये आदमी कुछ गड़बड़ किया, उसका डेटा का हमको एक्सेस चाहिए, whatever he had spoken or whatever he had sent on message or something like that, I want to get that data. BlackBerry said, thank you so much for your concern, but sorry, I cannot give the data. Whoever that person is, whether he's good, whether he's bad or something, I am not concerned. I know he's my customer. If he's my customer, I will not give his data. And there were a lot of cases, even in school days those times, lot of cases between BlackBerry and so many other countries, as well as the Canadian government and Indian government and so many others. But they were very much concerned कि हम data नहीं देंगे, because I take care of the security of my customers, whoever it may be, and I am taking more money from him, so I will give him service. And that is the reason why many terrorists had been using BlackBerry phones, because that cannot be tracked. Nowadays, so many advanced technologies are there. Maybe I should not share in a public forum, but so many advanced technologies are there which have been used. But that was the aspect. So this policy is very very important. BlackBerry कनाडा में था, उसका पॉलिसी था नहीं शेयर करने से भी चलेगा, उसके बाद हुआ तो पॉलिसी cannot be taken or decided by the organization. It will be decided or taken by the country. Government, country, right? So what where I stopped between Zoom and Cisco, I'm just giving you my take. It is not an official statement. It is not an official code because there are a lot of issues which are going on the discussion between which is more secure or not. I'm just floating an idea which I learned from some of my friends who are working in some security, cyber security departments of some different countries as well as India. I'm just sharing personally that when you talk about Zoom and Cisco WebEx, maybe what happens is that there are some security features which are being associated. When you talk about Zoom, the data consumption for Zoom is much less as compared to Cisco WebEx or any other. The reason is data consumption means हम internet data pack का बात करते हैं. The reason is they have less security. तो सिक्योरिटी का ऐसे लेयर होता है, फर्स्ट लेयर, सेकेंड लेयर, ऐसे फर्स्ट लेयर ऐसे हुआ, सेकेंड लेयर ऐसे हुआ, थर्ड लेयर ऐसे हुआ, फोर्थ लेयर ऐसे हुआ, फिफ्थ लेयर ऐसे हुआ, सिक्स लेयर ऐसे हुआ, सेवन लेयर ऐसे हुआ. There are so many layers. Zoom में I don't know about the specific number of layers, but there may be 2 to 3 layers. But in case of others, there are more layers. So the security aspect is more safe. The second most important part is कोई भी Google ले लो, Microsoft, talk about Cisco, ये सब organization का central server is not in China, is in US or someplace. So although the company can try to do something unethical, but the government will not allow them because they are very much conscious about the principles and policies of security in those countries. I hope all of you remember that Facebook owner Mark Zuckerberg had been called by the US Senate last year, I guess, 2018, if I'm not wrong, for forgery. Google had also been called because you talk about Google, you talk about Microsoft, they are giants. They are giants in their own sense. But in spite of that, since they are operating from that country, they need to follow the policy.
Hello. Hello.
परिवार के अतिरिक्त विराट नरेश थे, पंचाल नरेश, दुर्गा थे, युवराज ऋषिदुम्न थे और वासुदेव कृष्ण थे. विषय में कहा था पहले मैं वो बताता हूँ महाराज जो कुछ अर्जुन ने युवराज दुर्योधन के लिए कह रहा है. विषय की आज्ञा लेकर या विषय की आज्ञा लेकर एक पुत्र ने बनाया होगा तो नहीं हमारा. वो बताने वाले कुछ अर्जुन ने अर्जुन से मुझसे कहा था महाराज यदि उसने नहीं लगाया तो अपने और अपने अहंकार के कारण वो रणभूमि में किसी सूखे
हेलो
Hello. Sir.
नेटवर्क इश्यू होगा ब्रो.
कोई सर नहीं है क्या?
बारिक सर ऑफ किए हुए हैं अपना माइक. और सुदीप्त सर का उस समय हो रहा था ये नेटवर्क इश्यू, शायद वो हो गया होगा फिर से.
हाँ बीच में हुआ था.
हेलो गाइस. कहाँ है? सर का पीपीटी चेंज हो रहा है.
लाइट चेंज हो रहा है पर आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
मैसेज करो मैसेज.
सर को कॉल करते हैं रुक.
चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज डालते 1 मिनट रुको।
रुक ना, कॉल कर रहा हूँ।
और भाई दोनों किसी अपना नाता हो तुमनी को वंश की बदलशीलता का कारण हो तो तुम ही और अब यदि तुमने अपनी आंखें नहीं खोली तो समझ रखो कि अपने महारथियों के शब्द देखना तुम्हारे लिए नहीं बचा। तुम केवल 3 व्यक्तियों की ही बातें सुनते हो। उनमें से पहला है गुरु परशुराम द्वारा शापित के और दूसरा है ये गंधार नरेश का दीक्षापन और तीसरा तुम्हारा दुराचारी अनुज दुशासन यानी खरीद करवाने सब देवता में यूं मेरी लीला का आवश्यकता सत्य धर्म के पालन के अतिरिक्त मैंने किया क्या मैंने यही शपथ किया मैं अपने मित्र दुर्योधन के शत्रु पांडवों का वध करूं और आप ही बताइए कि मैं शपथ नहीं लेकर क्या तो क्या मेरा एक बात आप कीजिए मेरे देश का पूर्वज को प्रतिनिधित्व मेरे देश का पूर्वज और विकास इस छात्र के शब्द और पवित्र शब्द का दुरुपयोग न करो अंतराष्ट्रीय तुम इस छतनार वृक्ष की छाया में बैठे हो उसकी परीक्षा करो और अपनी अनिष्ठा को निष्फल कर जा रहे हो ना भटकाओ अपने मित्र को ये मन को ना भटकाओ तुम भूल क्या और हम सब मिलकर के अर्जुन का सामना नहीं कर सकते
ठीक नहीं हुआ क्या?
क्या बोला बे?
बोलिए अभी तो आ रहा है थोड़ा बीच में
सर से बात कर रहे हैं, सर बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब उनका
हाँ
वॉइस
हाँ हाँ
मतलब
वो
सुन
तो
लिए
एक्चुअली जो भी हो
कि
रहा
नहीं
है
आ रहा है हम
मतलब
लोग का।
बाहर से हो रहा है हम लोग का तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर।
क्या बोला?
हाँ वो बारिश आ रहा है अभी तो नेटवर्क पता नहीं नेक्स्ट क्लास हो पाएगी नहीं पाएगा गौतम सर से कनेक्ट करता हूँ उनसे अगर हो पाएगा तो देखता हूँ।
इसको चेंज करने के लिए फिर सब सर लोग को बात करना होगा, हम लोग का
ठीक
बोलना
है
थोड़ी
ना
होगा।
ठीक है सर हाँ सुना दे रहा है नाउ इट इज कम।
और जो लिफ्ट कर रहा है ना वो लोग फिर से नहीं आ सकता है इसमें, पता है कि नहीं? बारीक से लॉक किए हुए हैं।
कौन बोल रहा है बाबू?
तो अंशिका रघुवंशी और ये रोहित कोमकर दोनों लेफ्ट कर चुके हैं।
मयंक भी नहीं दिख रहा अभी सुनो मेरा
मयंक
सर।
भी नहीं दिख रहा। प्रशांत अभी सो के उठा है।
हेलो हेलो
हेलो सर।
हाँ अभी सुनाई दे
हेलो सर।
हाँ बीच में थोड़ा बहुत साउंड का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था अभी सुनाई दे रहा है सबको?
सर सब सुनाई दे रहा है
हाँ
लेकिन बारिक सर का स्लाइड चेंज हो रहा है। बारिक बोल रहा है सुदीप्त सर का स्लाइड चेंज हो रहा है लेकिन उनका आवाज नहीं।
हाँ बीच में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था अभी सुदीप्त सर ने मेरे को कॉल किए थे अभी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है।
हाँ।
जो भी हो रहा है मतलब कि ये इंटरनल मशीन से हो रहा है हम लोग का तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट यहाँ पे थोड़ा
जी सर वो हम लोग समझ रहे हैं।
बारिश आ रहा है और लाइटनिंग हो रहा है इसके चक्कर शायद कुछ हो सकता है।
ये सर नेटवर्क इशू है।
हाँ ठीक है सुदीप्त सर मेरे को फोन किया था आई थिंक सारे ज्वाइंट कंटिन्यू करेंगे ठीक है।
मैंने आपका विचार जान लिया है आजाद।
सुदीप्त सर हैव यू जॉइंड सर?
सर ज्वाइन कर लिए हैं, मैसेज कर रहे हैं लेकिन उनका अभी भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा उनका अभी भी।
अभी देखिए हाँ सुदीप्त सर ज्वाइन किया है आपने?
सर उन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया है पर उनका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है। चैट में मैसेज कर रहे हैं वो लेकिन नहीं आ रहा है।
आई थिंक अच्छा अब लोग थोड़ा 1 मिनट लाइन में रहिए मैं कोशिश करता हूँ।
सर
हाँ बोलो
सर ये मैसेज किए वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।
अच्छा ठीक है आप लोग लाइन में रहिए मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास होगा पल्लवी मैडम को मैं कनेक्ट करता हूँ।
सर
हाँ बोलो
अनलॉक कर दीजिए, कुछ बच्चे बाहर हुए हैं शायद, वो नेटवर्क इशू समझ के, तो आप अनलॉक कर दीजिए, कुछ लोग और आ रहे हैं। रोहित कुमकर, अंशिका रघुवंशी और ये लोग बाहर हो चुके हैं।
बाहर है? अच्छा ठीक है, मैं ऑनलाइन कर दे रहा हूँ, वो लोग बोले थे एंटर करने के लिए, ठीक है?
जी ठीक है।
हाँ मैडम घुसिए, अपने ज्वाइन कीजिए। हाँ चलो। हेलो।
यस सर।
हाँ अभी पल्लवी मैडम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा इंतजार करिए। आप लोग जा सकते हैं, डोंट लॉग आउट मत कीजिए, ठीक है?
जी सर।
सर थोड़ा अनलॉक कर दीजिए, क्योंकि एजेंट से लॉग आउट कर दिए, उनको आने
हाँ
दीजिए।
ठीक है, हम अनलॉक कर दिया है, आप लोग जा सकता है, लेकिन हम फिर मैडम ज्वाइन करने के बाद फिर लॉक कर देंगे। अभी आप लोग जा सकते हैं, डोंट लॉग आउट फ्रॉम द सिस्टम, ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके सर।
इसलिए